Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to get into your social studies course. Into your social studies course and your activity for today. So you're going to your social studies course, week 2. This is for Tuesday's activity. Maps on MyON. We're going to be using MyON a lot in case you haven't noticed. You're going to watch this video first. It's going to walk you through the steps. It says log on to MyON through Clever. Keep that tab open. So you have to have Clever open. So I'm going to open this up. And now you can see over here, Clever's opening up here. I happen to be logged in. If you're not logged in, log in using your Google email, just like you log into everything. Now I'm on Clever. Now I need to go back to Schoology. So I'm going to go back right here. See, here's Clever with the C, Schoology. Clever, Schoology. You'll be able to switch back and forth. Okay, now I go back over here. It says go back to Schoology. Click on the image of the book to read it. So now I click on the book, and then the book opens up for me. And then you're just going to go ahead and you go through the book, read it yourself, or you can also have it read to you. So it's up to you how you want to do it. See, you can read the word, read the sentence. So hopefully that will help you so that you know how to use MyON, because we will be using it a lot the whole year.